This lesson is for the folks at the iReal Pro forum. iReal Pro is a musical app used to create and share jam tracks as well as chord charts. One of my most popular YouTube videos is a jam in the key of E minor. It's a simple blues in the key of E minor using an E minor 7, A minor 7, and B minor 7. I want to show you the voicings that I used to play these chords so that when you're practicing with this jam track, you can work on your accompaniment skills along with your soloing skills. So here are all 6 voicings used to play the chords in the jam track. You'll notice that we have 2 different voicings for each one of those chords, and in a moment I'll talk you through when to use which voicing. Now you're going to need to study this page and get pretty comfortable with where these are all located, as well as getting your transitions happening pretty smoothly. If you need help with that, you might want to try some of the exercises in the Guitar Lesson Companion Volume 1. Also in that book, you'll find exercises for learning the notes on each one of the strings, something that's really important if you're going to take guitar very seriously. So in order to play these voicings, I've made it a requirement that you know the names of the notes on each one of those strings. But if you haven't studied that yet, you can watch my video on the chromatic scale to get comfortable with figuring out the note names on your own. I'm going to start with an E minor 7 with an A string root, followed by an A minor 7 with an E string root. I'm thinking of the root note on the high E string there. Back to an E minor 7 with an A string root, and then an E minor 7 with a G string root. Then I'm going to play an A minor 7 with an E string root, A minor 7 with a D string root, E minor 7 with an A string root, E minor 7 with a G string root, B minor 7 with a D string root, a quick B minor 7 with an E string root, A minor 7 with a D string root, A minor 7 with an E string root, E minor 7 with an A string root, and then another B minor 7 with a D string root.